During last 1 year, the fire department has conducted 7,383 fire operations to rescue to prevent the fire. And then we have saved about 2,200 people from the fire, from the floods and then other situations. The greatest achievement of the fire department for this year is inauguration of the fire headquarters, then formation of the state disaster response force with 2,000 people. We thank Honorable CM Sri Anmal Revant Reddy Garu for inaugurating the SDRF as well as the state headquarters.